SwimSafer Practical, Stage 2. Are you ready? Let's get ready to swim. Swim assessment. Put on your swimwear and wear your goggles. Step 1. Enter the pool using slide in entry. Step 2. Swim 25 meters on your front. Step 3. Turn around in the water and swim 15 meters on your back. Step 4. Exit from the pool safely. Sequence 2A. Put on your swimwear, shorts, and t-shirt. No goggles is allowed. Step 1. Enter the pool with step in entry. Step 2. Front float for 10 seconds. Step 3. Swim 5 meters on your front and rollover. Step 4. Back float for 10 seconds. Step 5. Swim on your back for 5 meters. Step 6. Stay afloat for 30 seconds. Step 7. Pick up object. Step 8. Exit the pool. Sequence to be Part 1. Put on your swimwear, shorts, and t-shirt. No goggles is allowed. Step 1. Enter the pool with slide in entry. Step 2. Swim 15 meters with survival stroke. Step 3. Exit the pool. Sequence to be Part 2. Put on your swimwear, shorts, and t-shirt. No goggles is allowed. Step 1. Put on PFD on land and jump into the water. Step 2. Swim 25 meters with survival stroke. Step 3. Exit the pool. That's the end. You are ready for your swim adventure. Stay calm and have fun.